I am aware that the Government of India has started the process of implementing Citizenship Amendment Act. While the whole of Northeast, especially the six scheduled areas, including in Tripura, have been exempted, I am still concerned about the checks and balances of people who will be included in this act. My case in the Supreme Court is still pending, and we would like to be even clearer that on what grounds and what will be the mechanism to check if the migrant illegally has entered our country. Did he enter before 2014? What are the records? Somebody can come in today in 2019, 2023 and claim so. We would like to know under what process, what are the documentations which will be given, where will the person stay, will he stay inside the six scheduled areas or outside the six scheduled areas. All these things have to be examined, and only after that we will be satisfied. The stance of Tipra Motha and mine is very clear. We do not agree with the present system of Citizenship Amendment Act. And while we may be an alliance partner with the BJP, our line is very clear. We do not agree on demographic change of states in Northeast because our indigenous population is very small. And if we do not have a proper system, then many people can come and say that they have been here for years. Who will check, who will verify these documents, these papers? There should be transparency, and these are legitimate concerns and they have to be addressed.